Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hey everybody, checking in on oil, and all you need to do is look in the mirror to see the key level. Told you to tattoo it on your forehead, 52.11, double low of consolidation, and a clear bear break today. So even if you had no trade in oil at any point today, you were just sitting there watching that support level of 52.11. Let's look at how it broke on the 5-minute time frame. And look at that. Clearly, everybody was watching that level. That was a very clear support point. And as soon as 52.11 broke, we see the highest 5-minute candlestick that we had seen in over an hour. So a clear dump, lower highs and lower lows after that dump, bears in full control. We are very oversold on some shorter term time frames. The hourly RSI is down in the teens after this all-out dump. So I would be looking for a short-term bounce. We can be scouting previous support 52.11 to act as resistance on this short-term bounce. But keeping in mind the hourly chart is oversold, the 4-hour chart, the RSI is down at 30 now. It's oversold as well. And personally, I wouldn't be looking for a bullish entry. Let's see when I would be looking for a bullish entry. Looking back at the daily, next key support that I'm looking at is down here at $49.98, that $50 psychological level. So I would be looking to make bearish entries after oversold conditions. I would have made a bearish entry at 52.11, but if I'm not in bearish yet at this point, these RSIs need to cool off. We need to see a short-term bounce. 52.11 is resistance, and the high of this little bounce attempt of 52.50 is also resistance. So those are the levels to be watching for a potential bearish entry. We know to be looking bearish because we have broken the higher low pattern with 52.11 breaking to the downside. So that was the clear bear signal, nice trade signal given there. And on the daily time frame, very clear, lower high and now a lower low. You can see we're topping out. And the question now is, how much pullback are we going to get? And can the bulls hold that $50 psychological support level? So let's check in on USO. And we have that clear gap up hitting the high. Short-term bounce attempt, lower high, and now a lower low. Close near the low of the day. Increase in bear volume. Next support down here is 11.17. And the bears are in full control with that close at the low of the day. So oversold bounce, short-term bounce anticipated. That can be an opportunity to make a bearish entry in my opinion. And we will see how it plays out tomorrow. I'll check back in after hours as always. Have a great night.